Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today I have a book review for you guys from Kristin Omdahl, and it's her latest book. It's called Crochet Power, Making Stitch Patterns Work for You. Now I have done a review of an ebook, because when I bought this book I got the ebook as well, but then Kristin wanted some people to do a review, so I've done a review and it's on her website. And guys, if you're new to crocheting, or even if you're an advanced crocheter, this book is going to be your go-to. If you do your own patterns, if you design your own patterns, if you're fairly new, it's going to help you no end. And Kristin's been this has been a work in progress for Kristin. We all know Kristin. I'm sure plenty of us have got some of her books and even worked up some of her her projects, her patterns, I should say. But this book is amazing. It really, really is. The layout, the detail, it's amazing. And I'll just go through, and she's even signed it for me, guys. Isn't that amazing? It says, to Linda, empower your creative spirit. Oh, explore your, it's not explore, it's empower. I thought it was explore. So it is detailed, and the table of contents is really self-explanatory, guys. How to read patterns, the gauge, weaving in ends, blocking, drying, shaping, yarn substitution, yarn estimates chart, doubling chart, yarn doubling charts, suggested hat sizing chart, yarn weight chart, how to modify a pattern, how to use this book, which is very, very good. I mean, she explains it thoroughly. Standard sizing for blankets, towels, throws, scarves and wraps. Standard sizing for cowls, shrugs, jewellery, shawls and rugs. And then she goes into, and that's even before she goes into the chapters. The first chapter is basic stitch patterns. Then the second chapter is column stitch patterns, offset stitch patterns, and then the crochet glossary, symbol library, resources, project Kristin cares, bibliography, and the index. And it's really in-depth, and what I really, really like about this, she gives us a really good introduction to the book, and there are even charts in it, guys. It really is even how to gauge your work, and how to weave in ends, the blocking, shaping all different sizes of yarn, and that. And it is, I cannot begin to tell you. The link for this book will be in the description box below, and that. So, and even working with doubled yarn, and she goes through it all, guys. She really, really does. I mean, I have learnt, I mean, I always say you learn something new every day, and I can honestly say I've learnt lots of new things reading this book. It took me a bit of time, but I got there, and it is just hats off to you, Kristin. It is an amazing, wonderful book. There are even charts for you to follow if you don't read patterns. But I'm really, they've all got names. We've got Elise in the round, in rows, and what she does with each, for example, we'll go to Abigail. She shows you how to the stitch, say for a particular stitch which is called Abigail, so she shows you how to do it in the even rows, so it's like a blanket, or you know, you could make a wearable with it, even in the rounds, using the pattern in the round, increasing in the rows, how to increase it to make a shawl, increasing in the rounds to make, you know, doilies, and she does that for each of the pattern. They're all named Bailey, example, Elise, Ellen, Georgina, all different names, Simone, all women's names, Aubrey and that, and Millie. So it's a really good all-round book, and I cannot highly recommend it enough, guys. I've learnt so much from this book, and I mean, I don't profess to know everything, because I don't, and I don't think everybody does. But for this book, if you are a new crocheter or have been doing it a couple of years, this will be a fabulous tool in your crochet arsenal, and I'm just really, really pleased that I actually got my hands on it, and to have it signed as well. What more could I ask for, guys? So thank you all so much for watching today. If you've got any questions, just, you know, email me or put a question in the description box. As I said, I will put the link to this book in the description box for you to go and check it out yourself. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until next time, bye for now.